How to change zip code in DoorDash app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to change zip code in DoorDash app, open the DoorDash app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now on the home screen at the top, you will find your current location. Go ahead and tap on that. Here as you can see, your location is shown as well as the zip code. Now if you want to change your zip code, you want to search for your address. For that, tap on the search box and then simply search for your address. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on it, the address along with the zip code will also be shown over here. Go ahead and tap on the save address option. Once you do that, as you can see, the zip code has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.